Hello matriculants, and welcome to another Get Real session with myself, the Maestro. And today we're going to be taking some examples of the work that you've learned today. And these are typical exam questions that you guys need to practice to be able to be comfortable with them in the case that they actually are in the exam. Now, on your screen there's a diagram. Do you guys know what this diagram is called? Have a look at it again. This is the human karyotype. What gender does the diagram represent? How do you know this? Here's a diagram. Look at it. And the answer is that this is a male karyotype. Chromosome number 23 has an X and a Y combination. If it was a female, chromosome 23 would have an X and an X combination. What disorder does this person have? How do you know this? Go back to your diagram, study it. The person has trisomy 21 or Down's syndrome. They have 3 copies of chromosome number 21. How did this disorder come about? The answer: during the separation of the chromosomes in meiosis, anaphase 1, instead of the 2 chromosomes moving to opposite poles, both chromosomes moved to the one pole. This is what we call non-disjunction. The resulting cell had 2 copies of chromosome 21. When the cell combined with the other gamete at fertilization, the resulting cell had 3 copies of chromosome number 21. Question number 5. What symptoms will a person with this disorder display? Your answers. Number 1, the person may have varying degrees of mental retardation, poor muscle tone, tendency to heart conditions, characteristic physical appearance. For example, pear-shaped eyes, ears that are situated lower than normal, large flat forehead, flat nose bridge, large tongue, and short stubby fingers and toes. Now, for the last question. Who is at greatest risk for this disorder? The risk of a woman to have trisomy 21, a child, increases with her age. This therefore means that meiosis may become more faulty as an organism increases in age. Now guys, remember that these are typical exam questions, and it's very important that at this stage of the year you start familiarizing yourself with the content and make sure that you get comfortable with it. Well, this was Get Real with myself, to me, the Maestro. See you guys next time.